Here's the steam bending project of my chair that I'm working on. As you can see, the back leg, front leg, lower stretcher, rear stretcher, as well as the upper crest rail and slats will all be steam bent. Here are the parts that have been steam bent already. These have been dried in the kiln and are now almost ready for machining. There is the slat, there is the back leg, front leg, lower stretcher in the rear, the front stretcher, as well as the upper crest rail. Here are the forms that I use. These are my drawing forms that you can see here. Each of the drawing forms are shaped exactly to the same shape as my bending forms, and here are my bending forms. This is the bending form that I have in place right now. You can see the strap is about ready to receive the first steam bend, and then you have my front rail that I have there. Come-alongs are all ready to go. And here's the steam box. The steam box is pretty well sealed. Trying to get as much pressure in the steam box as it possibly can. You can hear it whistling as the steam is coming out. Directly from the can to the chamber is very well sealed by the connector. I just started doing the steaming, so I'm going to be letting the steam for the first couple of bends, probably for another half hour or so, and then I'll start steaming. This is pretty much the whole operation, as you can see. Everything's all pretty much ready to go. Here's the drawing chamber that I made. This has just a simple dehumidifier in it. This brings it down to the initial moisture content in the chamber. You usually get it down to about 20% humidity in the chamber, and then I have lights that I would then put in. This is just the stack that I have just steam bent out. Just took them out of the racks, and you can see them. They're all ready to go. Once I bring in the rest of them, I'll stack and for continuing drawing. When it comes in, as initially, the components are about 18 to 19% humidity or moisture content in the boards. I then mill the boards, put them in the pot, put them in the chamber, and bend.